We need to stop this. Really, we need to stop this. Hey guys, this is Avneet and it's time for the tech update. So what we have today, okay? So first we have the AMD's launch of the brand new 4000U series processors. Yes, the processors are very promising and covering the laptop market. They are not going to be much of a great what we expect from AMD earlier, but now AMD has improved a lot and we are going to experience faster performances from all these chipsets as per the benchmarks that have been provided. Once it's commonly available in all the markets, we will be able to know if it really competes with Intel in the matter of laptop CPUs. What do you think about this new AMD? Is AMD improving? Let me know in the comments below. Next news we have from Apple. Again, Apple did it. The Apple's launched its new brand MacBook Air and iPad Pro. The MacBook Air costs much more than what you would expect from a normal laptop with similar specifications. Undoubtedly, it has got 2x power than the previous version, 80% graphic performance betterment that has been there. But do you really need a MacBook Air considering the price tag of $999 US? Also, the iPad Pro is much powerful with the new A12Z chipset by Apple. So do you think that it really matters to have an iPad and a trackpad worth around $799 US? Well, I can buy a new smartphone and a new budget gaming laptop and then build some of the high performance rigs out there, computer rigs in that price point. What do you think about these product launches, and do you think Apple still gives value for money? And we have the next news. Again, the coronavirus is spreading virally. Next we have the Xbox X. Yes, Xbox X. It has gone the Zen 2 AMD Pro chipsets, a better DDR6 16 gigs of RAM. It's much better and high intensity performance. What do you think about the gaming consoles? Do you think that you should buy one? Fighting back with the Xbox X, PS5 has been introduced by Sony. PS5 is also based on the Zen 2 architecture. It has more better CPU performances, but the graphic performances are not that great compared to the Xbox X that has been showcased on the benchmarks, but actual product is yet to be delivered and experienced. What do you think about the gaming consoles? Let me know in the comments below. Which one do you like the more and what games do you play? Let me know in the comments below. So as both of the events were there in the coronavirus, I think we need to stop this. I recently got to know that there are still factories and few shops that are being opened up by their owners and business owners. Why do they do that? This is really not done. The PM, Shri Narendra Modi ji, the US President Donald Trump, WHO, Indian Ministry of Health and Welfare has been requesting, putting a hell lot pressure to lock down the cities just to prevent yourself and your family from coronavirus. But there are people still talking about going ahead with opening up and spreading the virus. Just check your WhatsApp, your social media. It's completely full of how to prevent, and you should stop going out. If you think that there will be some losses, there will be more losses in your family if you open up and coronavirus is there in your family. It is really painful to see that still many factories are employing more than 50 to 60 people out there, and I don't think that is something about lockdown. Lockdown should be done. If you come up with the stats, Italy has been not locking it down completely, which resulted in a considerable hike in the third phase of this virus spread. And we can move into the third phase if we continue to open up the shops and all. I'm seriously out of my mind, and completely my focus is not much on going back on the field of technology, and I'm kind of disturbed with the things that I see and got to know. But yeah, I would like to thank everyone who is watching this video, as well as all those who are watching this video sitting back at their homes, working from home and protecting themselves using the measures stated by the WHO and Ministry of Health and Welfare India. I would like to respect for you guys and thank you very much for staying at home and preventing the complete humankind from spreading this deadly virus and a pandemic, coronavirus COVID-19. So as we move to the last segment, I was kind of more disturbed and my mood being screwed up. So now I have got some mood, and let's jump back and stop the discussion and get back to technology. And let's start with the tech news of this week. So the first tech news that we have is that ShopClues has come up with True Balance to provide online e-commerce facility to 1 billion unbanked Indians. So those people who don't have bank accounts can use True Balance and ShopClues partnership wallets. As fitness is being promoted all over the India and fitness regime started again, Airtel has acquired Spectracom to provide content about fitness. So the television makers Woo have launched their premium 4K televisions in the Indian market, and they are really cool TVs. If you want to check them out, go to the link in the description if you want to know about more of the details. The launch event was held in Bangalore. So now dark mode is available for Facebook desktop modes. If you want to experience, you can go out and go to the settings and change the theme of your Facebook for desktop to go to a dark mode. Dark mode is really something that is being promoted and being there for all, but does it really save the battery? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. So Realme is coming up with a new series Narzo that's going to compete with Redmi and Poco of India. And what do you think about new series? Is it going to be something interesting like Poco F1 came last year? Or it's just gonna be some other brand that's coming up? What do you think? I will try to cover as much as possible for this in the next video, but for this video, what do you guys think? I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. So Xiaomi is coming up with the Mi 10 5G variant on 31st of March, and I think that I will be able to cover up the live event, the launch event, and give some news about once the specs and details are being leaked. So see you guys next. Till then, until next time, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and I just want to say sorry for going out of the context in between, but it really matters.